Hi everyone, this is Lee. So having the ability to track and measure your visitors who come to your landing pages or who come to your website or any business assets that you have is extremely important. With these statistics, it allows you to see what's going on. So you can start to see if there are any breaks in the chain of the funnel that you'll take them through as well. So I've added a bit of a YouTube video below me for you to have a look at how to set up Google Analytics, but I'm also going to give you a bit of a walkthrough as well. Once you've had that set up on Google, how you can put that code into your website so it goes across all of your landing pages, all of your website page, and everything else as well. Now, I use a builder called Thrive Builder. Let me just grab hold of the share screen now and walk you through how I would actually put my code across all my assets on my website. Okay, as you can see, this is the back end. I use a WordPress site, but I have a web builder called Thrive Builder that sits on top of my website. So the idea of putting your code onto your website, if you've got a website on WordPress, you'd reach out to your support if you're not too sure, and they will talk you through this as well. But this is what I do. It's so simple. I go to my Thrive dashboard. So this is my dashboard that sits on top of my WordPress. So I want you to think about WordPress. For me, it's like the foundation of your building, and the Thrive Builder is the internal. It's your kitchen, there's everything else as well. So it's all the stuff that makes it easy for you to operate without knowing tech and also not knowing any code or anything else as well. So on this particular builder, I go to an area where I can put in all my analytics and strips. So I go to manage that. And then what I'm going to do then is I'm going to grab the code. As you can see here, I've grabbed the code that was generated by my tag manager and also by my my analytics as well. So on here, I paste and copy that code in here. And as you can see here, I make sure it goes onto all of my themes, which is my website. And I also make sure it goes on all my landing pages as well. So I never have to worry. I know that Google is always on there as well. Then once I finish that, I just continue and it's there and it's done for me. That's how easy it is. Now, if you haven't got a builder sitting on your WordPress, then remember in the YouTube video, they were talking about putting in a WordPress plugin so that you can actually track the Google as well. That's so easy to do as well. Go into your back end of your WordPress and you're going to go to plugins. You see the plugins here, installed plugins. You go to install plugins. It shows you all the plugins that you've got on your website. And then here you add your new plugin. And you type in here the plugin that the gentleman on the YouTube video suggested, and then you find it and you just hit install, and you go through the installation process as well. So as you can see, it's not as hard as we think it is, but sometimes tech can be quite scary at first. So remembering, if you're not sure and you've got paid versions on your tech, reach out to the support team and say, I want to create Google Analytics. I want to put the code on my website. How do I do it? And I want to make sure it goes to all my landing pages. If you haven't got a website, do the same thing with your landing pages, which will be in your autoresponder, which we'll be covering very soon coming up on our 30-day challenge as well. If you've got any questions around this, you need more clarity, just reach out to me. Talk to you soon, very soon. Bye.